it's Guy DiMartino. You might be able to ride your bike for another 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days, depending upon the weather. And today I want to give you 3 more tips in order to keep you safe while you're riding around Michigan City, LaPorte, the Lakeshore, Valparaiso, Duneland, wherever you are. The first is make sure that you wear a helmet. Make sure that you wear a good helmet that fits you, that won't fall off as you are going off your bike. I can tell you, you're better off for the helmet breaking than your head breaking or you getting a subdural hematoma or some type of brain injury because somebody was not paying attention and knocked you off the bike. Wear a good NTSB helmet. It will protect your head. It'll protect you from serious injury most of the times to your nugget. Number 2, make sure that you are visible. That means at night or in dusk or dawn, make sure that you have lights on your bike. Make sure that you have a bright shirt on. Could be a safety yellow, safety orange, something that's going to cause a pattern interrupt to drivers. See, most of the time when drivers are pulling out of roads or pulling out of shopping centers, they will look right through a bicyclist or a motorcyclist because they're looking for other vehicles. So if you have a bright yellow, if you have bright orange, you will cause a vision interrupt. You will cause a little change in their vision. They'll snap out of the little trance that they're in and say, hey, there's somebody coming on a bike. Could mean the difference between life and death or life and serious injury. Third thing that you need to do is you need to keep a distance. You especially need to keep a distance when you come in behind a vehicle which is slowing down, or when there's a vehicle that might be on the side of the road, parallel parked, or in a parking lot, parallel parked, and you go ahead and see their brake lights on. You don't know whether they're going to pull out in front of you. You need to drive and ride your bike defensively. You have to assume that somebody in a vehicle, motorcycle, truck, just does not see you. You have to take every precaution to make sure that you're the one in charge and you have enough room should they decide to dart out in front of you. If you have any questions about biking safely in Northwest Indiana, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino, meeting you at the intersection of law and medicine. Have a great day.